Hello folks, it's the 19th of March 2025. It is Tornado Awareness Day and week, and they're testing the tornado sirens. They have these spotted all over southwestern Michigan. There are even special sirens. If you listen to the drones. There's also special sirens that are just east of the Palisades nuclear power plant, and what's known as the ejecta or projecta footprint. If something was ever to happen there is a footprint, kind of cone shaped, that drifts off to the east. And of course there are sirens over there. If there was ever an issue, they would sound those sirens and the people would know to quickly evacuate or go to the basement or whatever. They're going to fire that plant back up again. Hotech, I believe, is the new operator of it. And they're getting the licenses and so forth. They're going to put that plant back online. Get over there one of these days this summer and get a little closer look at that. But these are sounds right here you don't want to hear during a bad thunderstorm. Definitely means a tornado is sighted and is right here in the area, and head for your basement. You start hearing that. Duck and cover back in the 60s, or go for the fallout shelter, or tornado. Today it is the tornado. Okay, hopefully this will be the last time we'll be hearing this year, or any year. They're winding them down. There's circular sirens on top of poles, and when they turn them on, they whine and they drone and they turn in circles real slow, so everyone in the whole immediate area gets a good sound, good blast of that siren. That's why you hear it coming and going. It's on that swivel and it's turning. And then when they shut them off, they drone down to a stop. And so that's it. All right. Again, hopefully you'll never hear this again, except when they test them. Have a great and safe day.